Hey guys, this is Nick from Gimme Garage, and this is episode number 4. Here is George, my wife's Mini. He's a 1980 HL, but as you can see, he looks far from standard. My wife bought him back in 2004 and we had to sell him in 07 for a family car. But luckily we bought him back in 2014, which started the journey to build her perfect Mini. She decided she wanted 70s period styling and it had to sit low on 10-inch branded steel wheels, custom arches. She's always loved black tulip, so we knew we had to go with that. To match the cool 70s exterior, we went for the stock black vinyl seats with a twist. A 300mm deep dish leather nardy wheel with red stitching, and a custom made, pin-up inspired roof lining. George still has his 1-litre engine, but we fitted a stage 1 kit and had him tuned. He will always be an ongoing project, but what classic isn't? We made the silly mistake of letting him go before, but now he is here for good. Thanks for commenting, thanks for subscribing, and stay tuned for what's coming up next. Thanks.